Good morning, everybody. We're here in Paris.
Parlez-vous français en Paris, s'il vous plaît?
Is that a French version? We've got a little bit of a problem. Look at all these. I went to Monoprix yesterday and I bought all these things, but look at. Forgot to get the tags removed, the sensors. So now we have to go and try to ask them to remove them for us. In French!
Uh-oh.
I'm just gonna pull out the Google Translate.
En français?
Oh, very nice. Yeah.
Right circumstances necessarily.
There's apparently a national strike today.
Yeah.
We did not know.
Unions till the day we die.
I don't think we can go into Museum d'Orsay today, but we will pivot. We'll pivot.
Yeah. There's so much to do in France. It's easy.
It's actually really beautiful today. A great day for a national strike.
I know, right? Beautiful day for a strike.
Crap.
Ayo.
Oh. Park Moncuna. It's a very nice park. There's a lot of people eating their lunch here. It's kind of like that scene from Perfect Days where he goes to the park and he looks at the trees and eats his lunch.
It's just like that.
It's just like that. Go at it. Night snack. Shin ramen for Johnny. Salmon ramen for me. Good morning. Bonjour, everybody.
Bonsoir.
Oh, bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. We're at Palais de Tokyo,
Oui.
and there are a bunch of skaters here. It's pretty cool.
Salad.
Bye, Paris. Your skin looks great.
Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous?
Oh.
Looks like a spaceman.
This looks like. Yeah.
Can we take one home? Oh, what is that?